Hello everyone, welcome to Student Presentation Week 2025. Myself, RUBEID NAYAB, student of B Pharmacy 5th semester from Patil Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of belladonna. So, content of this presentation are synonyms, biological source, geographical source, cultivation and collection, macroscopy, morphological character, macroscopy, histological character, chemical constituent, uses, marketed preparations. Synonyms: belladonna leaf, deadly nightshade leaves, devil's berries. Biological source: belladonna herb consists of dried leaves or the leaves and other aerial parts of Atropa belladonna or Atropa accumulate royal X linden or mixture of both these species collected when the plant are in flowering stage. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. It consists not less than 0.3% of the alkaloids of belladonna herb calculated at hyoscyamin. Geographical source: it is indigenous to the cultivated in England and other European countries. In India, it is found in western Himalayas from Shimla to Kashmir and adjoining are of Himachal Pradesh. Its chief habitats in Jammu and the forest of Sindh and Chenab Valley. Cultivation and collection: grown in sandy loam soil, cool climate, propagated by seed, root, cutting, require manure, irrigation and weeding. Leaves during flowering, roots after 2 to 3 years in autumn, dried in shade, stored airtight. Macroscopic morphological character of belladonna leaf: shape broadly ovate to ovate lanceolate, size 10 to 20 cm long, 4 to 10 cm wide, margin entire smooth, apex acute, base narrowed, surface smooth, glabrous, sometimes hairy beneath. Color dull green upper, lighter green lower. Odor slight, characteristic. Taste bitter. Macroscopic histological character: epidermis: upper epidermis single layer with wavy walled cell covered with a thick cuticle. Trichomes: two types present. Unicellular covering trichomes, non-glandular, multicellular glandular trichomes stalked with a multicellular head. Stomata: anocytic, unequal celled type mostly on the lower epidermis, hypostomatic leaf. Mesophyll: dorsiventral type. Palisade cell: 1 to 2 layer closely packed below the upper epidermis, spongy parenchyma, loose with intracellular spaces and vascular strands. Vascular bundle: collateral type, present in the midrib region, surrounded by sclerenchymatous sheet. Calcium oxalate crystal abundant, present as prism or cluster threads in mesophyll. Chemical constituent: the total alkaloids content is varied in different parts of the plant, but alkaloids present in the range of 0.4 to 1.0%. Roots part contain 0.6%, stem contain 0.05%, leaves contain 0.4%, ripe fruit contain 0.21%, and seed contain 0.34%. The main active constituent is 1. Hyoscyamin and atropine racemic from hyoscyamin. The other constituents are like belladonna, scopolamine, hyoscine, and 2 volatile bases, pyridine and methyl pyrroline, such as atropine, hyoscyamin, hyoscine, and homotropins. Uses: use as a antiplasmodic in smooth muscle spasm, initial colic, biliary colic, renal colic. Act as a mydriatic to dilate pupil in ophthalmic examination. Use as an antidote for organophosphorus poisoning. because of atropine. Help in treating Parkinson's disease, reduce tremors, rigidity by anticholinergic effect. Used in motion sickness, scopolamine patches. Relieves peptic ulcer, reduce gastric acid secretion. Marketed preparation. Atropine based preparations. Atropine sulfate injection used in organophosphorus poisoning or bradycardia. Atropine eye drop and ointment for pupil dilation mydriasis in ophthalmology. Second, scopolamine based preparation. Scopolamine transdermal patches, transdermal scoop used for prevention of motion sickness. Hyoscine N butyl bromide, Buscopan, antiplasmodic for abdominal and intestinal cramps. So, this is all about drug Belladonna. At last, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nilesh B. Banarese sir, our estimated guide, for his continuous support, motivation, and valuable guidance. And I am thankful to respect Principal Sir, Director Sir, all the faculty's member and non-teaching staff for their encouragement and assistance. Special thanks to my friend and classmates for their cooperation and moral support. Thank you.